Guys, the day has finally come. I am taking the 86 to get fixed. It started snowing this week. Luckily, none of it's on the road. I don't want this car to see salt. I'm gonna miss having her. Not that it really matters. She's pretty much gonna be in the garage till spring, but still gonna miss looking at her. Anyways, that's where we're at. Hopefully she comes back looking brand new. Hopefully whenever they're done with her, there's not snow on the ground. These Pilot Sport 4s are not good in the winter. Like I said, just gonna miss having her for a few weeks.
Goodbye, my love.